In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play chess with ChatGPT. We're going step by step through the process, making it super simple and enjoyable for you to engage in a game of chess using this AI conversational tool. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type ChatGPT. This will help you locate the official ChatGPT website where you can start your chess adventure. Make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any unnecessary confusion or misdirections. Next, you're going to click on the link to the official ChatGPT website. This site hosts the AI you're going to play chess with, and it should be easy to find in the top results of your search. Once on the main page, you're one step closer to starting your game. Now, look for a prompt or input area where you can communicate with ChatGPT. Here, you can initiate the game by typing something like, "I'd like to play a game of chess." This prompt informs ChatGPT of your intent to start a chess game. ChatGPT is designed to understand such conversational requests, making it user-friendly and straightforward to interact with. After you've typed your prompt, the next step is to hit the Submit button. This action sends your request to ChatGPT and will soon set the stage for your game. The AI will respond, setting up the board and possibly asking you to make your first move. With the game about to start, it's time now to decide on your first chess move. You can type in a move like, "I'll start with e4. Using standard chess notation, typing this move helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you want to play and where you want to place your pieces on the chessboard. To continue, after writing your move, press Submit again. Submitting your move communicates to ChatGPT that you're ready to see its response and see how the game evolves. ChatGPT will then process your move, make its own, and send you an update on the current board state. From here, you continue the game by taking turns with ChatGPT, playing your moves, and submitting them as you go along. The interaction can keep going until the game reaches its natural conclusion, be that a win, a draw, or even a loss. Following these simple steps, it's easy to see that playing chess with ChatGPT is both accessible and fun. If you keep these instructions handy, you'll be able to jump into a game of chess with ChatGPT anytime you feel the urge to test your skills or just enjoy a casual game. Happy playing,